Are you wondering how to record activities on your zSpace so that you can share it with others? One tool I use to create screen recordings is a program called GameBar, which is available on all zSpaces. Before you use GameBar for the first time, you need to turn it on. To do that, go to the Start menu on your home screen, open the Settings menu, select Gaming, select GameBar, set to On. Now you are ready to record from within a zSpace application. I find that closing everything except what I'm going to record will make my screencasting smoother. So now you want to open the zSpace application or activity you want to record. Press the Windows key plus G. The first time you use GameBar, the message "Do you want to open GameBar?" will appear. Check yes, this is a game. I know this is not a game, but select that anyway. Okay, you're ready to record. Use the Windows key plus Alt plus R to start and stop recording. You can turn on the built-in microphone to add sound to your recording. Right now, I am using plug-in headphones to increase the sound quality, so you can always do that as well. I find my recording smoother if I use slower movements than usual while making a screen recording. You can use the screen recording to review content, provide directions for students, and share specific tips. I love that the screen recording controls show me the length of my screen recording as I work on it. When you have completed your recording, press stop and it will automatically be saved. So where do you find your recording? To locate your recording, open the Windows folder, select This PC, select Videos, and select Captures. And there it is! I hope you enjoy making and sharing your own screen recordings.